to the sound of hammer and steel, steel on stone. Yeah, we work those fingers to.
All right, guys, we're out here on this beautiful day, out here fishing. Man, you know, I get right out of work and I go home for about maybe an hour, and hey, I'm out here fishing, man. You know, this is my passion. This is my escape from life, and I hope my kids one day will carry this on. So out here in this day, I'm practicing my duck calling, and I am fishing at the same time. I'm using a little tiny swim bait with some magic bait and a lead jig with a red hook. So this right here, this is my honey hole for crappie. And I am gonna take them home because I'm gonna make some delicious food. Got one. Woo, and it's a nice one. That right there. It's a nice crappie right there. Oh. This crappie right here is 11 inches. So I can take them. If you guys don't know, crappie is 21 a day, and it's got to be 10 inches or more. So that's a good size. Ooh, look at the size of this crappie. Yo, I'm not even lying, bro. I don't want nobody to see me catching this thing out here. No, sir. I mean, it's not bad. This crappie right here is 13 inches on the dot. Guys, that crappie was so big. Dude, that's crazy, man. They got some big old crappie in here, I know it. But if you just let it sit, man, that's how, just let it sit down. Ooh, guys, I got a big old crappie. Oh, what the hell? Oh, it's a big alligator guard. Oh, I want him. Guys, holy crap, that just scared the crap out of me, boy. I thought it was a gator or something. Whoo! So that's why crappie ain't coming around. All right, guys, we made it home. Go ahead and cut these things up. Anyway, you start scaling them. Grab a spoon. Start taking all the scales off of the fish. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna take, you know, any kind of seasoning. There's this one right here, it would season it all. I'm gonna try this one. I'll go ahead and season the hell out of that crappie. We're gonna smoke it in the grill. I got the grill going right now. We'll get it in between those. I'm gonna get that seasoning everywhere. All in those grooves too. Like that. Guys, this is my first time ever doing this, okay? So you guys are gonna try it with me. Maybe I put way too much seasoning, who knows? But we'll try it, man. All right, guys. So that's good right there. Let's take them out and let's try them. Let's just smoke them. All right, we got the smoker going on. The pellet grill. So I'm gonna just go ahead and lay them on. Like that. My fish looking pretty good. Yes, sir. Look at that. By the way, this is the Grilla Grill. And you can buy these adapters on their website. And it fits a lot of food. See that? Man, that looks good, huh? Yes, sir. All right, boys. Here is the crappie in our special sauce. Kind of want to do this with a fork, so. This is some real good fish. My wife is gonna try it. Yeah. This is really good, guys. So, wifey, do you approve?
Mm-hmm. You need to freaking bring more fish home.
She's gonna want me to go catch fish now and come bring him.
Oh, yeah.
Man.
Now, this is what I'm talking about.
One thing I gotta say is you just gotta be very careful with the bones. They're very, very tiny. But man, that's some good fish.
Con limón. The hueso.
It's kind of hard to do this with one hand.
What do you season it with?
All season.
It's pretty good. This is a great freaking little dinner.
Free
And healthy.
and healthy.
And we didn't even fry it.
But anyways, guys, this is the aftermath of our crappie. My wife pretty much had a small one. She ate it too. So what do you rate it? 1 through 10?
10.
Damn.
They're good. They're really freaking good.
You guys should try it out. You guys should go catch a fish, cook it, and do all that because you know that's what God gave us fish for. Stop being shy. Stop being a catch and release freak like I was. Man, go out there and catch a catfish, catch some crappie, cook them up, have some dinner, share it with the wife, and see what it's like. But anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Hope you guys like this content. And we'll make another video soon. Peace.